Dear learners, this is a video on radiopharmaceuticals. I am Dr. S. Leslie Roselet, Assistant Professor in Chemistry of Holy Cross College, Autonomous, Nagarkoil. Let's see the definition for radiopharmaceuticals. Radiopharmaceuticals are the radioactive substances or radioactive drugs that are used for diagnostic or therapeutic interventions. Or you can otherwise define radiopharmaceuticals as medicinal formulations containing radioisotopes which are safe for administration in humans for diagnosis or for therapy. Composition of radiopharmaceutical. It is a radioactive isotope that can be injected safely into the body and a carrier molecule which delivers the isotope to the area to be treated or examined. Principle. Unstable or radioactive isotopes have a property to decompose or decay by emission of nuclear particles, and some of them are used in diagnostic or therapeutic interventions. The three main types of radiation decay are alpha particles, beta particles, and gamma photons. Properties of alpha, beta, and gamma particles. Alpha particles have the largest mass. However, due to large charge, it does cause a great deal of damage to the immediate area by breaking down DNA. Beta particles are electrons. Beta particles are not as destructive as alpha particles but can be used therapeutically. Gamma rays are electron magnetic vibrations comparable with light but of shorter wavelength. Because of their shorter wavelength and high energy, they are very penetrating. Applications of radiopharmaceuticals. They find use in medicine in 4 different ways. The first one is the radioisotopes are used in therapy. Emitted radiations are used to destroy cells in conditions like cancer. Radioisotopes are used in diagnosis. They are used as radioactive tracers for detecting various diseases. In research, they are used for the biological and medicinal studies by the use of radioactive isotopes as tracers. In diagnosis, radioactive tracers find use in medicine for diagnostic purposes. Labeled cyanocobalamin finds use for measuring the glomerular filtration rate. Ferric citrate injection finds use for the diagnosis of hematological disorders. Colloidal gold injection is used diagnostically to study blood circulation in liver. Sodium iodide injection finds use in diagnosis of proper functioning of thyroid gland. Radiopharmaceutical in sterilization. For the sterilization of pharmaceutical and surgical instruments, excellent use is being made of the radiation constantly available from some strong radiation source for sterilizing pharmaceuticals in their final packed containers and surgical instruments in hospitals. No heat or chemical gets involved. Thermolabile substances like vitamins, hormones, antibiotics can be safely sterilized. Finds use in sterilization of pharmaceuticals. In research, excellent biological and medicinal studies have been carried out with radioactive isotopes as traces. Thank you.